Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to get a few products from the database and display them in the home page. So in the home page, we only need to display a few products, like 6 products. And to do this, first of all, I'm going to open my project. And then in my project, the first step is that we need to open the controller. So I'm going to open the app and then HTTP and then the controllers and then the project controller. And in the project controller, this is the home function, which is the index. The first step is that we need to import a class called database. This class is going to allow us to connect to the database and get products from the database. So I'm going to say here use and then illuminate and then backslash support and then backslash facades and then backslash database. This is the class that we want. Now in the index, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use this class and then I'm going to call a function called table. This function is going to allow me to connect to the products table. So this table function takes the name of the table. So what is the name of the table? Well, the name of the table, remember, the name of the table is products. This is the name of the table, which contains the products that we have. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to say here products. And then in order to get the products, we need to call a function called get. This is going to get us all of the products that we have in the database. However, in the home page, we want to display only 6 products because the menu will be displayed in the menu page, in the products page. So here we need to display only 6 products. So I'm going to say here, in order to limit the number of products that we want to get, is we can call a function called limit. So I'm going to say here limit, and then this function takes a number. So the number of products that you want to get. So I'm going to say limit 6. This is going to get me only 6 products. And then I'm going to store the result in a variable called products. So products is going to be equal to database table products and then limit 6 get. Now we need to pass these products to the index page. So to pass it, we need to create a key value pair. So the key is products and the value is going to be the products that we just created, which is the variable. And now we are done with this part. Now the second part is that we want here products. The second part is that we need to create the root. We need to open the roots, and then web, and then here what we want to do is that we need to use this function. We need to use this index function. So to use this index function, we need to remove this part, and instead we need to import the controller here. So I'm gonna say here use and then illuminate and then backslash here use and then app and then backslash HTTP and then backslash controllers and then backslash the name of the controller. So the name of the controller is project controller. So that way I have imported the project controller because the project controller exists in the app, HTTP, controllers, and then project controller. Now for this root, what we want to do is that we need to create an array, and then we need to specify the controller that we want to use. So I'm going to use the project controller. So we need to say project controller class and then comma, and then in single quotes we need to specify the function that we want to use from that controller. So the function that I'm going to be using is called index. So I'm going to say here index. And then I'm going to close it, and then finally we need to give it a name. I'm going to say name. The name is helpful because the name will allow you to use this root by its name. I'm going to give it a name called home because this is the home page. Now we are done with this part. The last part is that we need to get the products and display the products in the index page, and that should be done in the view. So we need to open the view which exists in the resources, views, and then index. And now we need to use this products. We need to loop over the products and display the products. And to do this, the first step is that we need to know where the products are. So the products are here. Let me show you where they are. The products that we have are here. The products are, let me show you where they are. They are here, just below the menu, our menu. So let me search here for our menu. So they are here. These are the products. These are the products. So what we want to do is that we want to remove all of these products. We want to remove all of them because we will now get the real products, because these products that we have are static products, and we don't want that. Instead, we want to get the products that we have in the database. So I'm going to close these products. I'm going to close this, and I'm going to first open it, and then I'm going to close actually this. This is the first product. This is the second. This is the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and then the seventh, and then the eighth, and then the ninth, and we have 9 products. So I'm going to remove all of them, and I'm going to keep only one. So I'm going to remove all of these, and I'm going to save, and I'm going to head on over to the browser and refresh to make sure that nothing has been broken. The code is perfect. So as you can see now, I have only one product. Now we need to loop over the products. So to loop over the products, we need to create here a loop. So I'm going to say here at for each what? For each products, the key is products. So I'm going to say for each products, $products as product, $product. And then here we need to say at end for each. And in between you need to display the product information. So what are the product information? The product information is the name, the description, the price, the category, the type, the image. So we need to get these from the database. So to get these from the database here, instead of displaying delicious pizza here, I'm displaying delicious pizza. Instead of this, we need to display the actual name of the product. So I'm going to say here double curly braces, and then product, and then arrow, and then the key that stores the name. So the name is stored under a column or key called name. So we need to say product name. And then here, the description, I'm going to remove this, and then I'm going to say double curly braces, and then product, and then description. And then for the image is image, the name of the image column is image. So for the image, we need to say here asset, and then images, and then we need to remove the name of the image, and then we need to say dot product, and then arrow image. And we need also to display the price. The price is being displayed here. So for the price, we need to say here, we need to say double curly braces, and then product, and then price. And we are done with this. Let me save, and let me head on over to the browser and refresh. And if I refresh, guess what? We have now 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 products because I only have 4 products. And later, when we get more products, we will be able to display 6 products in the main page. So these now are the real products that we have in the system. Let me prove it to you. Here, cheeseburger. In my database, I have here the first product is cheeseburger. The second product is beef burger. And here the second product is beef burger. The third product is plain burger sandwich. So here, plain burger sandwich. So that's correct. Now we have the products and we have the prices, and now the home page will display the real products that we have.